Fortify Desk is a revolutionary desktop as a service that delivers all of your applications through a video interface on any device with any browser. This technology was developed in partnership with the Department of Defense to protect national intelligence. It enables the DoD to securely access top-secret data across the world through unsecured networks and even unsecured devices. It enables the user to leave no trace of their session on a network or device. Fortify Desk allows your Windows desktop to be hosted anywhere and gives you access to all your applications through any browser. It's like turning your device into a secure TV. It no longer matters what device you use to access it. So it could be on Windows, Linux, a Chromebook, or even an iPad. Each session is housed in a secure, isolated container that looks just like the original desktop. It's all about keeping things familiar and user-friendly without any compatibility headaches, ensuring everything feels right at home. And there's more. With Fortify Desk, everything is managed centrally. This means less complexity for your IT team and better security across your organization. The traditional remote desktop stack requires many layers of technologies, which all require separate licensing, configuring, upgrading, performance tuning, and troubleshooting. Also, each technology layer opens a door for vulnerabilities and hackers. Fortify Desk simplifies application delivery by replacing that complexity with a single secure and encrypted connection to your corporate applications. It even has a built-in CI/CD pipeline to keep your server applications updated and provides failover protection to prevent data loss if a server goes down. Fortify Desk leverages Docker technologies to containerize every application. This works for Windows applications like Office 365 and for virtually any other legacy application, including mainframe applications. If you can access it from your Windows desktop, it can be accessed from this desktop too. In fact, because Fortify Desk leverages cloud computing power, your applications should be even faster than they were on your old desktop. Fortify Desk also allows you to launch approved applications, much like you would on a smartphone. This is a great way to simplify application delivery. Users can go directly into productivity apps or secure workspaces without the overhead or complexity of Windows. It enables you to keep business, personal, and email applications completely separate, plus even air-gap IoT and industrial control applications on the same device securely. Our App Store has many apps ready to be deployed, or you can quickly build your own App Store with all of your internal applications. If you like what you see, we can give you a full tour of the incredible flexibility around administration, user management, and single sign-on too. If you want to try out Fortify Desk, we can set you up with a live demo or set up an internal demo within your enterprise in just a few hours. It's that easy. Try it out by contacting us now.